Hello everyone, friends. Today we're trading with the Quotex broker using support and resistance levels with an expiration time of 5 minutes and a bet amount of $40. This is my standard trading strategy, which I've been using for many years, and today we have a major drop in currency pairs. Now let's see where we can open a position and whether we can open one at all. Of course, if there are no signals, then I probably won't show this video at all. I'd like to show something interesting, but so far things aren't going very well, to be honest. The Australian dollar and Swiss franc will be opened for an upward trade. We have a local minimum, a support zone, and I'm opening the trade roughly from the edge of this zone. Let me probably increase the time frame so it's clearer. CAD and JPY also open for upward trades. Here too, we have a local minimum on the 5-minute chart. I'll also be waiting for the price to go up. Let's see where this leads. There are a lot of trending movements, and these trending movements are almost without pullbacks. Euro-Australian pairs are being opened for a downward trade, local maximum. We're also waiting for the price to fall. Yes, there are very few signals right now. British pound to Australian dollar, a trade for a decrease, local maximum. I'll finish looking over the charts now, and then I'll probably switch to a higher time frame. Euro. More precisely, US dollar and Japanese yen. I'm opening a trade for a decrease, and so far all 5 trades are in the red. Let's switch to a 15-minute time frame, or even 30 minutes, because there aren't enough charts. Apparently not. I won't see anything interesting here either. Yeah, the price just crashed at some point on the news, and that's it. And there are simply no entry points, none at all. Or you need a trading strategy for trend trading. Yeah, there are no more signals, unfortunately. As a result, this trading session will be limited to 5 trades. It's really bad, all of them with signals. But I hope I'll be able to make at least some profit on these 5 trades. My strategy isn't suitable for today's trading. There's just too little information on the chart. And switching, say, to the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, well, that's just not serious for 5-minute trades. You need a longer expiration. In just a few hours, the price dropped sharply here. Alright, that's it. We'll stop at 5 trades. And I hope that most of them will close in profit. I'll duplicate the USD JPY trade. And let's take another look at what we have. GBP, AUD. I'll probably duplicate this one too. Honestly, I'm being a bit greedy here. I could have skipped opening an extra trade here. The price is near the entry point, but I'm counting on the price going down so I can earn at least a little bit more. But if the price doesn't go down, obviously I'll lose $40 more. Of course, it's a real challenge to catch pullbacks during trending moves, especially during strong trends. For example, both USD JPY trades are currently in the red. And you can see from the charts that things have moved very sharply here. The price has risen over the past few hours. But again, right now we can see that the candles have become small on the 30-minute chart. This indicates that the price is slowing down, so you could try to make money off of this, but so far, as you can see, it hasn't worked out. For now, both trades are still in the red. And by the way, the price continues to rise. Meanwhile, the trades are starting to close. The Australian dollar and Swiss franc entered at the very bottom. The price has gone up, and quite significantly at that. Managed to catch the pullback here, entered at the right time and in the right place. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, 9 seconds left. The price is quite close to the entry point. There isn't much of a difference here. It's literally 6 points, but I hope the trade will close in profit. On the 5-second chart, it looks dramatic, but in reality, it's not. Euro to Australian dollar, everything is good here. 8 seconds left, and we also entered right at the top. Managed to catch the price pullback here as well. That's the 3rd trade in profit. British pound, Australian dollar, 10 seconds left and a lower trade. We'll see how it closes. This will likely be the first losing trade. Yeah, it's going to fall just a little short. No, it actually made it after all. I don't know how this happens sometimes, but this time I got lucky. But with the dollar and Japanese yen, most likely both trades will close at a loss. But I've already ended up in profit. I've already closed 4 trades in profit out of 6. Did I count that right? Out of 7. 7 trades were opened, and so far only 1 trade is at a loss, and we wait for the remaining 2 transactions. Dollar Japanese yen, the second deal also closes in the red. In general, the price did not reverse here. The price moved in one direction. And here is the British fund Australian dollar. The deal should be done, it seems. How to close in the black. Second transaction on this asset. Yes, yes. Great. 5 deals. Plus 2 deals in the red, but I think that's the maximum I could have done in this market. 2 deals closed at a loss specifically on the dollar and yen, so I had a problem with that asset. Here, the price simply didn't reverse, and the trend continued a bit. Well, friends, that's all from me. If you're interested in seeing how I find entry points on a clean chart, please check out the educational links in the description and read to improve your trading skills. I wish you very successful trading. Goodbye, everyone.